In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add guests to your Notion workspace. First, open Notion in your desktop browser. Using the desktop interface makes it easier to see all the sharing options clearly. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and looking at the workspace or the specific page you want to share. Guests are typically invited to pages, so decide exactly what you want them to access before you proceed. Once you're on the right page, look to the top right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing panel where you control who can see and interact with your content. From here, click Invite. You'll see a field where you can add a guest by email. Type the guest's email address carefully. This is where their invitation will be sent, and a typo can delay access. Next, choose the permission level that fits what you want the guest to do. Full access is the most powerful. They can edit the page, invite others, and even move or delete content. Reserve this for people you trust to manage the page alongside you. Can Edit allows the guest to change text, add blocks, and collaborate directly without managing sharing settings. Can Comment is perfect when you want feedback but don't want the guest to change the content. Think of it as suggesting mode. Can View is read only, ideal for stakeholders who just need to see the information without interacting. After selecting the appropriate permission, click Invite. Notion will send the guest an email invitation with a link to join. Let them know to check their inbox, and if they don't see it within a minute or two, have them look in spam or filtered folders. If the guest already has a Notion account under that email, the page will appear for them once they accept. If they're new to Notion, they'll be guided to create a free account before they can view the page. If you ever need to adjust or revoke access later, return to the Share panel on the same page. You can change permission levels at any time, or remove the guest entirely, which is useful when a project wraps up or roles change. Keeping permissions tight helps protect your workspace while still enabling smooth collaboration. And that's all there is to it. Open Notion, pick the page, click Share, invite by email, choose the right access, and send. That's how to add guests in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe.